What's up YouTube, it's Dougie, the Mustachioed Mechanic. Today we're going to be changing out the spark plugs and coil packs on the wife's 2008 Porsche Cayenne 955 with 3.6 liter V6. Pretty easy. Here we go. Alright, well those spark plugs really helped out. She's running great now. If you like what you see, of course, hit the thumbs up, like the video, comment below on what you see that you like, what you'd like to see in the future, and hit the subscribe button, because coming up there will be a video on completely restoring and refinishing the headlights. Got a kit coming from Amazon that I think will really make these lights pop. Alright, see you next time.